Alright, now to test out the infinity face. Let's see how that one shoots. Alright. Not bad, not bad. A little rusty on shooting since it's been many, many months. Pandemic. Calibrated here. Well, at least I'm gripping them. Still pulling to the left. Sure, I'll see everything I'm doing wrong after I watch the video. Well, that's centered at least. There it is. There's the infinity face. Just shot 6 arrows into that thing. Let's go have a look, shall we? Let me take this off the tripod here. Alright, it's gonna be rough, but it's okay. It's more fun this way, right? Not. Alrighty. Let's see the damage. Well, 2 10s and 4 9s. Take it. So there it is. Get a close-up of that infinity face in action. Yep, I'll have to use both hands. So I'm gonna sign off. Take it easy.